Nothing. Just nothing. Doing a bail kick on.
I thought there's going to be something here.
Yeah, me too. It's a bit deeper. What's going on, guys? I'm here with Peter down at Middle Head. We're just about to sort of go off track, go off the beaten track a bit, jump in the water, see if we can catch anything. It's a cracker day, but it's been raining, so I'm not sure what the visibility is going to be like, but we'll jump in the water, see what we get. Hey guys, we're out for a dive this session around Middle Head, just off Mosman. Conditions were quite nice when we first went out. It had been raining and storming sort of all week and overnight, so we weren't too hopeful, but when we woke up, the sun was out, so we thought we should jump in. You'll see throughout the video that conditions get quite worse, but definitely at the start it was really lovely. This one here was a really interesting dive. You can see we'd sort of gone up towards the headland and the visibility had dropped significantly. So you can't really see it in the video, but sort of 10-15 meters in front of me there are sort of schools of Laderick and Trevally. So I'm trying to draw them in. It's really hard to draw in the Laderick, and I'm trying to draw in bigger fish as well, while slowly edging towards the larger schools. That's not bad. Got a nice blackfish, a morlong, mushrooms, broccoli, asparagus. Yo! Alright, we'll get the first bite. And if it's any good.
You know these stands?